Hello, I'm Charlie Haffey, and I'm going to show you how in Google Drive you can take a view-only file, make a copy, and then move that copy to a location on your Google Drive. When you make a copy of a file, it breaks all of the shared connections, and you are not sharing that document with anybody unless you decide to. So here I'm looking at an email, and it says you're invited to view the following document. So I'm going to open it in Docs. And this is a letter. And I can tell it's view only because it says right here, view only. And what I'm going to do is, if I wanted to do some editing here, and I say I highlighted this and I went up to edit, you can see that the cut and paste is grayed out. So that really means you don't have any kind of authority here except to read this. So what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to make a copy. And when I do, it belongs to me. So I'll come up here to File and go to Make a Copy. And it says Copy of Gene Smith. And then what you could do is you could, at that point, retitle this. So you could write it as Gene Smith Letter, something like that. So I'm going to click on OK. And now, when this comes back up, it'll have the new title on it. There we go. And now if I wanted to come in here and do some editing, you can see that now the cut and paste is back. And if I come up here and look at the share, it's private only to me. And this is good because now I own this and I can do whatever changes I want. So now what I want to do is I want to move this file to a different location. Right now it's just on the main folder of Google Drive, in the Google Drive folder. So I could do a move to here. You see this folder icon? I can shortcut, come up here and click on this. And right now it's in my drive and I have all these different folders in here. So I want to create a new folder. And I'm just going to call this Smith. Got that. This folder is empty, move here, and now the copy of Gene Smith has been moved from my drive to the Smith folder. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to make a copy and move your file.